I'm here.
Hello guys, it's Evelyn, or you can call me Macaroon. I'm here with my cousin,
Okay.
Kyle. And
What's going on, guys? My name is Kat.
she is entering.
Comment to Jennifer.
In Kyle's world. Yeah. Yeah. Because we do survival. Yo. Sometimes. Eh, paano ka nakakuha ng ng wood? May nails. Ay, loko. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Wait lang, sakrap ko lang. Me too.
So, narinig niyo ba ko? Ewan ko na lang kung narinig.
Ako din ba? Naririnig nyo ba ako? Wala. Okay, narinig pala. So, guys, next week, papag-giveaway ako ng fidget spinner. Basta, i-like nyo lang and subscribe and
Sino man mga Pilipino dyan?
ano naman,
Papamigay ako ng t-shirt. Please
yeah.
comment your address and name.
Oh, I see apple!
Hanggang si Apple.
I see apple.
And I see...
Pag-giveaway.
Paano kayo gagawin? Dami!
Abby, be quiet.
Paano ka mag-gigit?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, who's that? Sorry. Yeah.
Tignan mo to. Abi! Gato na kay si.
Yeah, you don't know, see. Ha.
Ayoko na maglaro. Sabi niyo, noise.
Okay. Burahin mo yan. Burahin mo to.
Uulit ako. Iko.
Balak sa buhay mo.
Bakit dito? Bumulay dito sa app. Ayaw nga.
Hindi.
Tingnan mo.
Oo, buburi mo din tutuwa. So, guys, nakakuha na ako. Ha, ha, ha.
Guys, it's
Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna get some more of this.
yun na nga lang. Ano?
Yung alin. Oh my gosh, tatlo na pala. Hey, kailangan natin ng bed. Wala tayong nakitang ship.
Baka dun sa Oak Valley.
My nail is so haba na. Gugupit na ako mamaya.
There's a sheep.
Give me some. Me too. I see 2 ships. In here and another there. Me too.
I need 2 more wool. What do you need?
I don't know.
I need 1
I need one more.
I got one. Here it is.
Yeah, iba to eh. Ibang kulay. Tuto app. .zip. Da-download siya ng Minecraft.
Hindi ko dinilit. Ayaw.
Alam ko lang kung ako matutulog dito sa cave. Oh, this is a long way. I thought it's a long way. But it's not.
What? Ayaw.
Tuto app.
I got a bed.
You got a bed?
Yes.
Gara?
Where are you?
I'm in the cave. Where are you ba?
We need a door.
That
Oh,
zip.
Found it.
Where are you?
That
I'm not in there.
Tutup up that zip. Ano?
Tuto up that zip.
Ayaw.
Ito ko lang. Download. Where's our crafting table?
It's right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Where? I can't see it. Hindi ko makita. Oh my
I
gosh.
don't know.
Ba't nandiyan ka sa bahay ko? Ha? Why you're in my house? Ano nga lang bahay muna natin.
Huwag ka ng bahay mo. Saan ka ba daan?
Oo. Dito nga ako eh. Dito nga place ko eh.
Uulit ba ako?
Ewan.
Ayoko nila. Ano? Nila.
You're so madaya.
Yan! Kita ko ng ikaw. Ikigin ko.
What is that? Ikaw yan.
So dark. Gumawa ka ng parang cave. Dyan.
Daya mo. Dito nga place ko eh. Dito yung buong ito. Wait lang guys. Hi guys, it's Evelyn again. Kasi sinira mo yung house ko eh. Lilipat ako. Nakakita na ako. Hi, that's it. It's far for you.
Abi! Bawal na
Well, I can't see. I can't. Gonna build a cave in here. In here. In here. In here. So like it. In here. Mine is great. I like it. Oh, I don't have any pickaxe anymore. Only one more chance. I'm gonna build some.
Yay! Pangalan ko na
Abby, stop it.
Haha. Let's find this.
How many minutes you have?
11. Wait, guys. So, guys, I'm back.
He's back.
And my house is almost done. And it's so ugly. There's that, and that, and that, and that, and that. That.
I'm making my house a bit. Wait, guys, there's so much more. What are you doing?
What? What? What happened?
What happened? Replace it.
You do want it. I know what the girl you want.
Can I tour your house?
Yeah, maybe. Oh my gosh, I fell.
Where are you? What are you doing?
Getting some.
Why you don't have a door? Oh my god, it's so dark. Wow.
I don't have torch. So, guys, I'm gonna end this video for now.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna end this video. So hope you like it.
Yeah,
So see you guys
next time. Yeah.
So guys, later. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button. Subscribe, and when you see that little button, press it.
Bye.
Bye.
Hope you like it. Please subscribe and
DJ Abby.
bye.